ascent commentary is performed by several people. The propulsion engineer will call out propulsion events. The avionics engineer will call out avionics, health, and Dragon separation. The range coordinator calls out Air Force Satellite Control Network acquisition and loss of signal. And the ground station specialist calls out the SpaceX antenna acquisition and loss of signal. At 1 minute 6 seconds after liftoff, Falcon 9 reaches supersonic speed. The vehicle will pass through the area of maximum aerodynamic pressure, known as max Q, 2 seconds later. This is the point when mechanical stress on the rocket reaches its peak because of the rocket's velocity and resistance created by Earth's atmosphere.
We're at T-minus 2 minutes and counting. Stage 2 LOX load is closed out. The second stage of the Falcon 9 engine is fully ready with liquid oxygen. RP-1 has been loaded aboard both stages, as has liquid oxygen. We're in the final minute, 45 seconds away from launch, Josh. Everything appears to be go at this time. The next major milestone will be a checkout of the automatic or autonomous flight control system, and that will come a minute and 5 seconds away from launch.
Ground side gas closeouts have started.
After liftoff, around 2 minutes 27 seconds into flight, the 9 Merlin engines will sequentially shut down. You'll hear MECO, which is main engine cutoff. The first stage will perform a boost back burn about 15 seconds later, heading back to nearby Cape Canaveral Air Force Station, landing zone 1. We'll show you the landing on NASA TV about 7.5 minutes after launch.
Dragon are in startup. Falcon 9's in startup. Dragon is in startup. Gas closeouts complete.
Everything is go. Under 1 minute. Standing by for the final go from the launch director at T-minus 45 seconds. Josh?
LD, verify go for launch. Go for launch.
And Mike Taylor, our launch director, is go for launch. Terminal count begins at T-minus 30 seconds.
T-minus 30. T-minus 20. Falcon 9 is configured for flight. T-minus 10.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The liftoff of the Falcon 9 takes flight with the Dragon spacecraft destined for the one-of-a-kind laboratory in microgravity, the International Space Station.
And the Falcon 9 has cleared the tower.
39A to perform the launch pad post-launch operations. Copy, we'll go.
Live from Falcon 9 to go transonic at a minute 6 seconds after liftoff.
2 seconds later,
thereafter by
2 seconds later, we'll go through max Q, which is the maximum dynamic pressure on the vehicle.
Power to launch nominal.
Standing by for Falcon 9 to go transonic.
Passing through max Q.
And we've just heard the cue for that. The vehicle has gone through max Q.
Next major milestone will be the shutdown of the 9 Merlin engines. Scheduled for 2 minutes 27 seconds into flight. Less than a minute away from main engine cutoff.
MVAC engine chill has begun.
After main engine cutoff, the first stage will perform a boost back burn about 15 seconds later and head back to nearby Cape Canaveral Air Force Station landing zone 1. And on NASA television, we'll be showing you the first stage landing as well as the continuation of the second stage taking Dragon to orbit.
Station 1 jettison will begin at 2 minutes 29 seconds.
Vehicle flying down the nominal. We have MECO.
And we have MECO.
Stage separation confirmed.
You can see the stage separation. Stage 1 on the right, drifting back away from Stage 2, continuing to power Dragon into space. This view from the
second stage ignition.
This view from the second stage of the Falcon 9, showing the engine has ignited. And that's the first stage, heading back toward the ground, just miles away from the launch pad. First stage is conducting a boost burn. About 10 seconds remaining in that burn.
Dragon nose cone deploy.
Meanwhile, the Dragon nose cone has deployed, exposing the Dragon spacecraft to space.
Boost back shutdown.
Boost back burn shutdown. This view again from the second stage. Everything proceeding normally with both first and second stage operations of the Falcon 9. First stage continues to fly upward.
Of signal, Bermuda.
Reaching its apogee in about 10 seconds before it makes its descent toward Earth. About 4.5 minutes after launch, everything continues normally. The second stage engine will continue burning for about another 5 minutes. Falcon 9 first stage, counting down toward its entry burn in about a minute and a half. You can see thrusters firing to control the first stage as it makes its way back toward Earth. Once again to land at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station Landing Zone 1, accompanied by a sonic boom for those who are in the area. Five and a half minutes after launch, everything continues to go normally for the Falcon 9 first stage and for the second stage and Dragon spacecraft.
Have acquisition at New Hampshire.
New Hampshire tracking station, now tracking the vehicle. Less than 30 seconds away from the first stage entry burn. Landing of the first stage, scheduled in about 1 minute, 45 seconds. And we have the entry burn underway. And the entry burn has ended.
Shutdown.
Stage 2 still on nominal trajectory.
Stage 2 still on course for its rendezvous with the International Space Station. Stage 2 engine cutoff about 2.5 minutes away from now. Stage 1 about to come back subsonic. About 45 seconds away from landing.
Transonic.
Stage 1 is transonic. Landing burn about to begin.
S1 landing burn.
Landing legs will be deployed in about 15 seconds. And a sonic boom felt throughout the Kennedy Space Center and Cape Canaveral Air Force Station area as Falcon 9 first stage
Landing legs deploy.
returns to Cape Canaveral Air Force Station Landing Zone 1.
LZ-1, the Falcon has landed. Landing operators move into procedure 11.100, section 3 on LZ-1 net.
Meanwhile, Dragon spacecraft, powered by the Falcon 9 second stage, continues on its way to orbit with a second stage engine cutoff expected in about 1 minute. Everything is proceeding per the timeline. 40 seconds away from second stage engine cutoff.
Stage 2 is under terminal guidance.
Stage 2 AFTS is saved.